In this lecture, we are going to focus on variables. So in a JavaScript, we may declare variables in three ways, right? With the help of var keyword, and with the help of let keyword and a const keyword. With the help of these three keywords, we may declare variable. What is a variable? Variable can store the value like a var name, like suppose just you observe var a equal 10. So this value may store inside this variable. When we are calling this a, it prints 10 the value. With a var let const keywords, we may declare JavaScript variables. In JavaScript, we cannot specify the data type name while creating a variable, but dynamically JavaScript is store our variable type. Just you observe, suppose we are taking the var a equal 20 and b equal 20.5 and c equal Srikanth and d equal, I want to create some object like this one, and I want to create e equal to function. Right. In this way, we can declare variable and number of types, right? Number, integer, like float and strings and objects and functions we may declare with the help of this var keyword and let keyword. Just you observe, we are not specifying any type of this variable. We are not specifying like an int, we are not specifying like a float, we are not specifying object, we are not required that. By default, JavaScript interpreter can take that responsibility, and that interpreter may provide the dynamically type of that variable. Just you observe, we are declaring one variable with a value, it may define one type of the value. Suppose I want to declare one variable var name. I am declaring one variable var name, but I am declaring one variable only, but I am not assigning any value to this variable. Then it is considered as undefined. Just you observe, I want to open one text editor. Here there is a script is there, script tag, I want to declare one variable var a equal 10 comma b equal 20.5 and c equal to Srikanth and d equal and c equal f equal to function f equal, right, syntax error. That script value, a value is a 10, right? So here I want to use a break tag, then you will be get very clearly. A value is 10. Next I want to place a b value. What we are getting? 20.5. So I want to know this type. I want to know about this c. What we are getting? Srikanth is our value. Right now I want to know about these types, right? Type of A, type of A, number, right? I want to comment this. And type of B is a number, and type of C string, and you observe this area, you observe string, and type of D object, type of F function. In this way we can declare the variable, right? So variable with the help of var keyword, no difference, let, nothing to happen, everything is similar, but somewhat difference is there, we discuss later, right? A, type A, right? Automatically it is a number, both work similarly, but what are the difference between this what is a let and what is a var and what is a constant? Till now we focus on var keyword. These all are var, and this variable may update continuously. Suppose I was declared one variable with a var keyword a equal 10, and the same variable I am using again a equal 25 and var a equal 30. Then what value it will be print? Document dot write of a, which will be print. What is our output? Our output will be 30. Why? Because the variable is updates. The variable is updates. This is variable scope. It having variable scope. Again you observe, this is our program. I am commenting everything. Just a value I am printing. I am trying to print a value and type of a, type of variable a. Just you observe here, where a equal 25, and again I am declaring where a equal 35. No error actually. So it updates where a equaled 115, 155. So automatically updates the variable, remodification of the variable, update the redeclaring the variable multiple times it are allowed. That is called variable scope. Hosting is available. Variable is hosted, right? But when we are using a let variable, with the help of let also we can be declared. Just you observe, variable, we can declare the variable. With the help of let also we can declare the variable. Just you observe, let, same scope, everything is same, but we cannot redeclare this variable. A equal 10 and again I am trying to a equal 25, it is not allowed. A equal 10 and a equal 25, it is not allowed. So once we declare and initialize this let variable, we cannot reinitialize. That is, you mind that. So first redeclaration is not allowed, and let having a block scope. Just you think this one. I am opening this sample code. I am using here same let variable I am using here. Let a equal 25. Let a equal 25, it prints. But same way I am trying to let a equal 35. I am taking here. Let a equal 35. It is an error. Just you observe, I am opening console. It shows error. So uncounted syntax error, identifier a has already be declared. Just I want to change this. Sorry, just a b. It is allowed. So automatically the developer failed to load source. So it is ignored. Just right now you ignore this everything. So it is a benefit of this let keyword. Let a and let b. And I want to do some function, and why it is a local scope, just generally you observe this, right? I want to create one function. Function name I want to ABC. My function name is ABC, and I don't want to use any parameters right now. And in between this, let a equal 25. So document dot write of a, and before the function I am creating same variable. Let a equal 65. Then what happened? It is, and I am trying to print here document dot write a variable, again document dot write I am outside scope. I am outside scope. I am outside scope 65. A value is 65. But this a, two lets are there, but within the scope, within the function and with outside the function, both are different. So I want to print this variable. So I want to create one button, and button check a value, and button. When I am clicking that, on click is the one method. On click, I am calling this abc method, abc function. Just observe, but the document.write completely overlap this entire content. Just to observe. So actually this a value is just you observe, a value is, when I am checking this, you will be get answer is 25. Overlap. The completely it overrides the entire content, the document.write. So console log. So both are different. That is a let. Variables can update. Var keywords, multiple variables we may take with the same name but different scopes, then let is allowed. And again one more variable is also there. We can declare another way is also there, the const keyword. With the help of const also we may declare. So how we may declare? With the help of const a equal 10. You noted that once we declare one variable with the help of const keyword, this a value will be never be changed. Means this a variable value would be fixed. A variable value would be fixed. So definitely we can, while declaring this variable, you focus that value and variable. It never be updated, it never be modified. The const variables never be modified. Again, I want to declare one variable const. So I don't want to use this entire this. Const a equaled 25. So just document.write a, and same method I want to use. Document.write type of a. Type of a. What we are getting? 25 is a number. So again I am trying to redeclare same variable const a equal 26. So it is error actually, the type error. So how do we check the error? Inspect console, you may check. On caught syntax error, just you observe when I am changing the variable name, it is allowed. Right, number is prints. So constant variables. We may declare multiple variables at a time. So b equal 23, c equal 35. So it allows multiple variables. It allows multiple variables, right? B, C. So it allows. So just I am checking this. Break tag, it is a break, a B, right? Again I am using this C value. Copy here. So both are having breaks. Again here also break tag I am placing here. Just both are different. A, B, C values we are trying to print, right? In this way we may declare. So what are the difference between var and let and const? Three variables. What is the difference? Major difference. So here you want to focus, right? Before that, how to we can place the comments with the help of this notations, right? With symbols. So we can place multiple comment lines. So we may place comments in two ways. One is double slash and multi comment lines with done with this one. And what are the difference between var, let, constants? Just you observe three categories: var, let and const. Already we know that one. Once you declare one variable, const variable, it is a fixed one. We cannot reconstruct this const variable. It is a fixed one. But let having block scope. and var having variable scope, right? Variable scope. So we can update and redeclare is possible. So but let is works as similarly var keyword, but let never be redeclare. So if you try to do this one, let a equal 25, let again a equal 35, it is a error. And when we are doing this var keyword, var a equal 10 and again var a equal 20, output may be it is a 20, it is updated, value may be updated. It is nothing but hoisting the variable runtime, the variable may be update, but let keyword it not at all update. It's not support for hoisting, it having a local scope. Thank you so much, have a nice day, bye bye.